Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Kali Uchis' album Isolation art cover, and let's right get into it. I'll be priming my eyes and my face with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer for a smooth makeup application and makeup longevity. After that, I put on my Lano lip treatment in Lemonade. I used the Civet Beauty Hydro Liner and Cherry Bomb to outline the cat eye, starting with my lower lash line, and then from the inner corner to the outer corner to make that cat eye winged eyeliner, but like an eyeshadow form. And I lined my lash line, filled it in with my entire eyelid. Don't forget to connect the inner corner and lower lash line as well. And blend it out with my Kara Beauty ES02 matte palette in red. And blend it all out. I lined my upper lash line with the Civet Beauty Hydro Liner in grease to prepare for my false lashes. For my false lashes, I used the Mino Luxe Beauty false lashes in the style Athena. Use code Lourdes25 to purchase your lashes there. And for my lower lash line, I used the Ardell Natural Lashes in the style 110. This is like the most trickiest part in the makeup tutorial, it's just putting them on my lower lash line. I covered my imperfections with the Elegant Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Natural. After the concealer step, you can go on with contour, blush, and highlight. In this case, I'm going to go with foundation, which is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydraulic Tinted Foundation in 6W Light. I contour my face and my nose and jawline with the Elegant Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Espresso. A little bit goes a long way. Why am I blocking the screen again? After some extensive contouring, I added some retouch-ups on the highlight areas of my nose with my LA Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural, and again with Espresso. For highlighter, I used the Wet n Wild Mega Gold Highlighter in Golden Flower Crown to highlight my cheekbones, bridge and nose, eyebrows, and so on and so forth, to give that dewy skin and glowing from within look. For eyeliner, I used 3 shades. For the outline, I used BFF2. For the rest of the lip area, I used the shade Another Round. And then I put the Lano lip treatment and Lemonade on top of it. To make the inside of the lip more lighter, I used the shade BFF for that highlighted look on the lips to make it more full and pouty. To get the Kali Uchis mold, I used a brow pencil. For the glossy eye look that Kali Uchis had on the album cover, I used the Morphe 2 Face and Eye Gloss. Remember everybody, less is more. You'll still get that shiny look. You can fix it in post. Photoshop and visual effects. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!